Well, good morning, all my beauties and my cuties. I hope everyone is having a blessed Wednesday. Today I wanted to bring you out and show you my son's new creation of Chica the chicken. So let's get to it, guys. I would love to thank all my new and returning subscribers. You guys are the best. Love you guys. Hi, Chica. Chica the chicken is being so friendly today. He is waving everybody, at everybody, as I have to say. So, yeah, guys. I just wanted to show you this video. And I think he did an amazing job. Alright, guys. Well, you have a blessed one, and I will see you soon. Until the next video. Bye.